I forgot to record the first part of our meeting. Who's going to be my reminder? Guys, I need a reminder. I can't ever remember to hit record. Boo. Hi, Edie Doggy. Are you stretching? Are you stretching? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I should have 8 players. I got 6.
When Nipsey wake up, like from sleeping, and he stretches like he do.
Hold on, I gotta shut this music up. Hold on. Shh. Okay, what, baby?
When Nipsey like wakes up from a nap,
yeah,
it looks like he's doing yoga.
Yeah, there's a pose called downward dog. And our dogs all do it. Paws down, butts up. And they just stretch like that. Well, sorry. Behind, spanny, rear ends. I don't think butt's a bad word. I don't know. Is it? Kind of crass? I don't know. All right, are we ready for the 6 that are going to play? Am I missing anybody? Okay, I got Adrian. I got Adea. I got Forever. I got.
Do you have Tasty?
And Daisy. Heaven, are you gonna play, Shuggy?
My device, my other device is dead.
Boo! Plug it in. All right, Jaden, are you? Yep, Mahomes is in. All right, are we ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Wait,
Done.
I gotta put my camera down.
Oh no!
Thank you. Okay.
What is a scientist who studies weather? If I could pick another job, I would pick this.
It's another zoologist.
Brian Busby, Neville Miller, Gary Lezak.
Yay.
Meteorologist, baby. This is what I would be if I could go back again and get another job, another profession. Did you know that I secretly want to be a meteorologist?
No.
I'm serious. If I had money and time, I would go back and get another degree, and I would be a meteorologist. Look out, Brian Busby, here I come.
The
average weather conditions in an area over a long period of time. Think about it. Oh, like for about 3 months at a time, I think. What do we have every about 3 months? I think there's 4 of them, if I'm right. I think. Am I wrong? I'm wrong. This is the climate. Okay, so they're thinking about. That's very confusing. But I think the key is. In an area. That's what it is. Okay, Mahomes knew. All right. Here we go. By which when does water vapor make small drops of water? It goes in the water cycle. It goes from gas back to liquid, and it makes clouds. Condensation. Uh-oh, guys. Okay, listen, I'm going to clear that up. Evaporation is when what happens? The water turns to gas, right? It heats up and goes to gas. Mm-hmm. So it goes up, 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 up. It hits cooler temperatures. And then what does it do? It forms water droplets again, and when it cools. Watch in your kitchen evidence of this. When, like, you're cooking pasta or rice, and you're cooking in the steam, on the cooler window, it starts to form. It starts to condense on the windows. And you know what? Speaking of condensation, there is precipitation coming down on my head. Just a little.
It's raining.
Here we go. Rain, sleet, snow, and I just said
it. I mean, that's pretty
Somebody
easy.
gets it wrong. Oh my. Somebody.
Yay.
Okay, precipitation. This is all water cycle. Oh, hello. Which tool is used? Oh, air pressure. Okay, we know what to think about it. pressure. There's only one that makes
I know
sense.
this one.
It's not direction. All right. It's not direction and it's not temperature. It's air pressure.
I think I know
Literally,
this
it's in the answer.
one. Yay.
Barometer.
I knew that. Barometer.
All right. Ready?
Yeah, my lucky pen.
What causes wind?
Air.
What causes wind? That's a good get the guess.
Lucky pen. Help me. Yes.
You'll never find me.
Its difference is in air pressure and temperature. Okay, ready?
Like I said,
Yes. My lucky pen is helping me.
Okay, it's okay. A stratus cloud. I'll give you a hint. Stratus. Yeah, okay, well, we know it's not a bird's wing. A funnel cloud is with a what? Tornado. The big fluffy clouds. It's not big fluffy.
Yes.
All right, it looks like flat gray blanket. I'll try to give you clues.
Okay.
Normally, we would have taught weather, and I haven't had a chance to teach that to you this year. What kind of cloud? Oh, thunderstorm clouds. They have I'll give you a hint. It's a compound word. It's a compound word.
Stratus, I think
Two words together.
I think it's this one.
I know this one.
Cumulus.
Oh, it comes.
I remember this one.
Yeah, cumulus and then nimbus together. Not to be confused with Harry Potter's broom. The nimbus, what, 3,000?
Yeah.
2,000. Which describes, humidity, the thing that makes my hair frizzy. What makes your hair frizzy? Think about it. When it's hot and what?
What?
Humidity.
No, I don't think.
Water vapor.
Oh,
The
yeah.
amount of moisture in the air. What
Yes.
gives Mrs. Domino a frizzy hairdo?
I hate those kinds of days, though.
Oh, gross. It just feels gross. Your skin gets wet after you shower.
Exactly.
Cirrus clouds. Oh, this is, okay. There's nothing seasonal, but it's not close to the ground. Should be, I think, and I could be wrong here. Maybe I need to brush up on my weather. High in the sky.
Yay.
They're really high up there because it's really thin air up there. When a cold air mass pushes a warm air mass out of the way. Okay, listen. Cold air is coming in to push warm out. Cold's taking over. So what kind of front would that be if cold is coming in? It's bringing cold weather. Cold front.
Yay.
Yep. That was kind of not too bad. Okay. Along a front. Okay, so when two kinds of fronts meet each other, so like whenever they say, ooh, a cold front's coming and the weather's gonna change, what usually happens outside? When one front's coming in to take over another, what does it usually do outside? When those two things meet, they kind of fight it. Yep, it's rainy. It rains. Now, wind can come with the rain, but it usually causes precipitation.
Hey,
Don't feel bad if you don't know it. What two types of clouds make rain? Well, we know fog is not it. We just found out what storm clouds are called. What makes sense? Yep.
Yeah.
You would know because guess why? Because we already know what makes the thunderstorm.
A cumulonimbus.
Cumulonimbus and nimbostratus. The largest, and most powerful storms.
This one.
It's a hard one because they're all very bad. What do you think is the largest and most powerful storm? What would you think? There's a picture of it. Hurricanes.
Yeah.
But if you get, okay, so yeah, because now that picture was your clue, wasn't it?
Yes.
Lucky pin.
All right, the boundary between two air masses. We just talked about it. A cold or a warm what?
Yes.
A front. Good job. Paying attention. See, you learn from the previous questions, don't you?
Yes.
Okay, it says an anemometer. Well, I'll tell you. It doesn't measure. Oh, crap. Where did it go?
Hey.
Where is it? Wait.
No fair.
Wait, where is it? Oh, my gosh. Okay. Where's the game? There it is. Look at the sign. Look at the picture. It's airspeed. How would you have known in that picture? Because you could tell what?
Like how it was this, so the thing would hit it and turn.
Yep. When water, we said this, when water evaporates, it heats up, it becomes what? It's a gas form of water.
Yes.
What's a vapor?
Water vapor.
Water vapor.
I vaporize you. Okay, let's see.
Vaporate you.
I vaporize you.
We're made of
Oh, you know this one. I don't even have to help you. Hello.
I mean, hey, no. My sister almost clicked the wrong one. You know what? That could have been-
Tornado.
My sister almost clicked the hurricane on my computer.
You better tell her not to click hurricanes.
the large
Hey, little mama. Oh, Vinny. There goes Vinny.
Tell me what.
Large, okay. What's the middle of it called? The blank of the storm. It's the middle. I'm giving it to you. It's the what of the storm. It's the eye.
eyeball.
Oh, Vinny,
Eyeball of
you're
the
so
storm.
loud and obnoxious. That dog barks and barks and barks. All right, true or false? An air mass will have the same temperature throughout the whole mass. Remember, a mass is a big area.
Let me push.
Oh, Vinny.
Push.
Okay.
Put.
Okay. Amy, if you didn't, you got it wrong for me.
It is called
Okay.
true. Because it's a
Okay.
whole concentrated area.
I let you choose. Okay.
Oh, Vinny. What type? Hold on. I got to get that stinking dog. This, you would just have to, hold on. Vinny, come on, bro.
Well, oh, it was okay.
The stationary.
very front.
I told you to pick
Oh, it's a magnet. What?
the computer magnet.
Where did it go? There it is.
Hold on, guys. Vinny, come here. Come here and get in this house. Thank you so much.
Hey, no, give it to me.
Sorry, I'm wrangling dogs. Okay, and he's still barking. They want a treat. All right. What is cool air moving from land toward the ocean? Ooh, this is hard.
Hey.
If it's land toward ocean, is it a sea breeze? This one might not be that hard. If it's what I think it is. Yeah, a land breeze, duh. That one wasn't hard. All right, 3 more.
Quit
Grapes.
distracting me.
Okay, so what is a sea
Clear.
breeze?
Cool air moving down mountain at night. Warm
What makes the most sense?
cool air over.
I mean, quit
If it's
saying
coming from the
sentences out.
sea,
Go away. Go away.
No, he got the white one. It's
cool
red.
air over the ocean, moving on the land.
Okay. 2 more. Which statement is true about water and land temperatures? Water heats up and cools down much faster than land. Land heats up and cools down.
I think they're going. Oh, those.
Water and land.
Green.
Water heats.
Wait, I'm gonna push.
Where's my cursor?
Oh, yay.
I couldn't find
Water
my
heats
cursor.
up and cools down much slower than
You
land.
moved
Think
my
about it though,
cursor.
guys.
How
Have
dare
you ever gone swimming in the summertime?
Yes.
Yeah.
And the water stays a lot what?
Cold.
No, at night, if you're, it's what happens when you get out of the water. It's colder, right? It's cooler in the air. The air cools a lot faster than the water does. See, you guys are learning something. Last question.
Hey,
Why
no,
do
quit
temperatures?
pressing my
Oh,
Go
how
away.
come the mountain temperatures in the mountains are lower than the lower areas? Why is it cooler? Because what do mountains do? What direction do they go? They go where? Yep, they have high elevation.
Yes.
They go high, high, high in the sky.
The higher you go, the colder you get.
A day and her donut. Daisy and her little animal posse.
Who won?
Adrian and his coolness. Okay, good job, guys.
You want to know the only reason I won?
Why?
Wait up.
Hold on, go away. Kahoot. I said
Cause-
stop. Yes, leave sight. That's what I said. All right.
Because
So
I
before
had
I
this
sign
one.
off, I want to see if I can find. No, I'm going to have to share it on the Google. All right. So hold on. Let me stop share. Stopping the sharing. I forgot to get the first part of our meeting on here. That's stupid. All right. So. Oh, is that that's a Boston Terrier little doggy? Is that a card, Daisy? That's cute. Daisy's muted. You're muted, Daisy.
Go.
I'm on mute now. Yes, it's a card.
Oh, it's cute. My nose itches. My allergies are kicking me in the pants. It's terrible.
I'm gonna.
So, all right. So, oh, that's so cute.
I have a whole drawer full of cards.
So I challenge you today, guys. I challenge you to do something nice for someone, even if it's saying a nice thing or giving a hug at home when you somebody you don't normally hug, like a brother or a sister, or, that normally you're like fighting with. Just be like, you know what? You're all right. You're all right. Okay? I challenge you. If you see mom say, go into the kitchen and oh, hold on, I will look at Daya. Go in and ask somebody, or just say, hey, mom, you know what? Let me do those for you. And Daya, the answer is yes, my love. So just tell, if you see mom's working in the kitchen or dad or whatever's going on, just go start doing dishes. Just do something little and help them out. Tell them something.
I usually put away the dishes.
Yeah, try to find an extra chore or something. That's my challenge to you today. Do something nice for somebody. And I'm going to make a confession. I am really struggling to stay motivated my own self. So you know what is helping me stay motivated?
What?
Not only are these calls keeping me motivated, but just knowing that I can, when I reach out to you guys, like what I did yesterday and what I'm going to do this week, recognizing you guys, it's keeping me motivated and keeping me in the game. Because I'm having a hard time. And you know what Joe's having a hard time with? He's missing baseball. Like if you have a sport or a thing, like Jaden Johnson. Imagine if during football season, all of a sudden, what if the Chiefs just never started?
I don't know.
It would be hard, right? If you love it, if it's part of your life. And I mean, you see what I'm wearing today, right? My Royals shirt. But you know, just be kind to each
Okay,
other.
fine.
And my daughter's kind of cranky lately, but she's not really.
No, I guess I do it, Mom.
She's not really cranky. Like not. She's not just being a jerk face, but she's the stress of this is getting to her. Does that make sense? She misses her friends. She misses school. She misses being able to go like to the movies or skating or whatever. And she's just been kind of sad. And what do we know happens a lot of times when we're sad? We kind of act mad, don't we? Because nobody wants to go around like, I'm so sad all the time. Nobody wants to hear that. And nobody wants to feel that. So you know what I do when I'm stressed out? I clean.
What?
All I can do is clean right now.
No,
Listen, I've become OCD about the dishes. Like, I can't stand
no,
the
you
dishes.
don't even know what I'm talking about.
I've never been that person. But you know why I do it? You know what I figured out why? Because that gives me a feeling of control. It's one thing I can control. In a world right now where it's all around me and out of control, one thing I can do is I can keep my house in order. Do you know what I mean? So now, putting laundry away is another story. I have a basket in my closet that I keep choosing not to look at. I hate putting away laundry. I hate it. I'll do any other job. I hate it. So, all right, little Amy, it's time for us to sign off for today.
Miss Domino,
What did Derek send you?
Me?
Miss Domino, look at the messages.
I did. It says,
No, look at the top one.
do you know where I live? Cool Teach, can you see my request? Motivation by memes? What are you talking about, bro?
I'm
Your
motivated.
Instagram?
I'm motivated by memes.
Oh, okay. I really think Sporty Vegan Kid's a very clever name.
Mr. Mino.
Yes, dear.
Guess who birthday's today?
Yours.
No.
Who? Your mama.
It's somebody in a different class.
Who?
Tanisha.
Oh, what a sad, it's kind of a sad time to have a birthday.
Yeah.
So let's do our selfie, guys. Let's do our daily selfie. Hey, get off. You ready? 1, 2, 3. I love my chicken. So, are you ready for the sign off?
Wait, we need another selfie.
Why? Were you gone?
Yeah.
All right, come back. Wait, but this
Wait.
person's gone too.
Wait.
I can't do it. You got Adrian's gone. Hey, Jaden, can I not see your face today, bro? Okay, ready? One more. 1, 2, 3.
No.
Okay. So listen, do something nice for. Oh, my nose itches so bad. Do something nice for somebody. I'm gonna go around, and you know what's happening, right? Okay. Hey, Daisy. I love you. Hey, Adea. I love you. And Adea's sister. I don't know you, but I probably love you too. I just feel like I would. Hey, Casey. I love you. Hey, Dior. Let me see that face of yours. I love you, kid. Hey, Adrian. I love you. Hey, Jane Johnson. I love you. Hey, Derek. I love your dimples. I love you. Hey, Heaven. I love you. I really do. I love you guys. And I will see you again. Adrian saw me from a distance, but he saw me. So it's coming. I'm coming to your house. Okay? You don't know when and you don't know where, but I'm coming. I'm just kidding. That sounded terribly creepy. Oh, there's Jilly with my Starbucks. Hallelujah. Say hi, Jilly. Hi. All right, guys. I love you in my heart and soul, and I will talk to you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.